In Japan, if a child accidentally breaks a bowl, the parents don't scold them. Instead, they collect the broken pieces and take them to a Kintsugi artist. The artist carefully mends the bowl, turning it into something even more beautiful and unique. Through this gesture, parents teach their child that mistakes are a natural part of life. Instead of focusing on what's lost, we can embrace the chance to create something meaningful. This is Kintsugi, a Japanese art that celebrates the power of turning flaws into treasures. Why do we use gold in Kintsugi? In Kintsugi, the use of gold to repair cracks is a powerful reminder that brokenness doesn't diminish value, it enhances it. The gold highlights each flaw, celebrating imperfections rather than hiding them, and teaches us to embrace what makes us unique. Beyond its shimmering beauty, gold symbolizes the elegance of healing and renewal. As the broken pieces are carefully joined, the golden seams create a striking contrast against the ceramic, transforming the once damaged object into something even more beautiful. Kintsugi shows us that in both art and life, healing can be a source of strength and a celebration of our journey. Philosophy of Kintsugi. Everything that is created is destined to be broken. We often worry about losing the things or people we hold close to our hearts. We invest love, time, and energy into them, so it's natural to feel sad when they are no longer part of our lives. But the truth is, everything in life is temporary. Things break, fade, or change, and relationships are no exception. Relationships often start with excitement, mutual needs, and care. Over time, those feelings may fade and some relationships come to an end. Kintsugi teaches us to see this natural cycle not as a loss but as an opportunity. When a relationship ends, instead of dwelling on what's gone, we can embrace it as a chance to start fresh and discover new happiness. Our imperfections define our uniqueness. Every scar has a story to tell. In Kintsugi, broken pieces are lovingly repaired with a golden lacquer, creating stunning patterns that makes the item truly one of a kind. Similarly, we should embrace our flaws and imperfections as they are part of what makes us unique. Take our skin color for example. It's a beautiful reflection of our identity, heritage, and individuality. Each shade carries a story of strength, culture, and diversity, reminding us that true beauty lies in self-acceptance and confidence. Instead of feeling ashamed, we should take pride in our skin tone. Lessons from Kintsugi in daily life. Kintsugi is more than just an art. It's a philosophy that we can apply to our everyday lives. When faced with setbacks, failures, or losses, it's easy to feel defeated or ashamed. However, Kintsugi reminds us to shift our perspective. Each mistake or challenges we encounter is an opportunity to grow, adapt, and create something new. For example, a failed project at work might seem like a disaster, but it can also teach valuable lessons that led to future success. Just like the golden seams in Kintsugi, these experiences shape us, making us stronger and more resilient. Kintsugi as a mindset. Ultimately, Kintsugi is more than just repairing pottery. Imagine each emotional scar as a golden line, a mark of battles we have faced and overcome. These scars are not signs of weakness but badges of honor, reflecting our strength and courage. Through Kintsugi, we learn that healing is not just about fixing what's broken, but about transforming ourselves into something even more beautiful.